iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are truly incredible, with new capabilities that will make a real difference in our users' lives. Their unique combination of powerful technology, ease of use, and thoughtful design make them indispensable. And we're not done yet. Our Pro models represent the very best of Apple innovations, advancing features across design, camera, performance, and more. The next generation Pro pushes each of these further in ways only Apple can, and I'd like to introduce it to you now.
iPhone 15 Pro is packed with industry-first innovations and features our users are going to love. Powered by our most advanced Apple Silicon yet, it delivers the most incredible photos and videos. And we are thrilled to introduce our astonishing new titanium design. This is the most premium material we've ever used in an iPhone enclosure. Titanium is incredibly strong and durable. Yet at the same time, it is much lighter, making these our lightest Pro models ever. You'll feel it as soon as you pick it up. Titanium is just beautiful. It feels fantastic with the new contoured edges, and we're also introducing the thinnest borders ever on an iPhone. This enabled us to reduce iPhone dimensions without affecting the display size. So together with the lighter weight and new edges, iPhone 15 Pro is a delight to hold in your hand. In addition to the strength of titanium, iPhone 15 Pro has the toughest glass-based materials in the industry, including the ceramic shield front, which is only available on iPhone. And there are two great display sizes to choose from: 6.1 inches for iPhone 15 Pro and 6.7 inches for iPhone 15 Pro Max.
A-series chip powers every experience on iPhone. For iPhone 15 Pro, we developed a new generation of Apple Silicon that is a major step forward, with changes throughout the entire chip, including a breakthrough new GPU. At the foundation of this new chip is the transistor technology, and this is the industry's first 3nm chip. These 3nm transistors are patterned using state-of-the-art extreme ultraviolet lithography. Elements of these transistors are just over 12 silicon atoms wide. A17 Pro features 19 billion of these transistors, and we use all of them to improve the performance, efficiency, and features of our new chip. The new CPU features microarchitectural and design.
iPhone 15 Pro features a more advanced 48-megapixel main camera with an even larger sensor than iPhone 15. The camera includes a new nanoscale coating to reduce lens flare, brings high resolution to everyday photos, enables more focal lengths, and has better low-light performance for portraits and night mode. When using all pixels of the quad-pixel sensor, the main camera can capture unbelievable detail, like every little scale on this lizard. In addition to 48-megapixel ProRAW, users can now shoot in 48-megapixel HEIF with 4 times more resolution than before. And with the power of our computational photography, we have the new super high-resolution default for the main camera. 24-megapixel photos merge the best of low light and detail together, as you can see here in the beautiful color of her eyes, the sharpness on the edges of her clothes, and the artistic reflection on the table. Since the new photonic engine now uses a 48-megapixel image, iPhone can shoot higher resolution photos in 24, 28, and 35mm focal length, a very important range for pro photographers. 120mm lenses are typically long, so instead, we created an innovative tetraprism design built right into iPhone. The light rays are reflected 4 times through the glass structure, allowing the light to travel for longer in a much smaller design. This creates enough separation between the lens and the sensor to enable the longer focal length. And we have our most advanced stabilization yet, a combined OIS and autofocus 3D sensor shift module that moves in all 3 directions, a first for any smartphone.